welcome to my channel, Electric Trekker Creations. My name is Bex, and today this video is for World Down Syndrome Day, and I was given this money box because I do actually have a little thing for unicorns. I don't know what gave them that idea. Pen and pen. I love these, and the idea of this is to make things colourful. Now it should be odd match socks or brightly coloured stripy things. I think that's the remit. So I've got the rainbow of colours. What I'm going to do is I'm going to paint this white first as the base colour, wait for it to dry, and then I'm going to colour everything else. I decided I'm going to let my inner child go free. So I just need to get some water and some brushes, and I'll be right with you and we'll start painting. Okay, so we're ready to paint everything white. I've also realised that white on cream is not the easiest to tell where you've already been or not. What I'm trying to do is kind of get rid of the creaminess, because I think the colours will pop better on white. Poor undignified unicorn. Just in case it wasn't obvious, I should say that all of the paint on this plate is dry and has been dry for a very long time. So I'm hoping there's no chance of it mixing with any of the other colours that I then put on top. Need to leave that to dry, and then I will be back to do the other colours. I'm going to colour the eyes first and use a tiny little brush. Deep and dark eyes. These are just cheap acrylic paints that I bought a while ago, and the colours I'm choosing are the colours of the rainbow. Now then, let's see. How am I going to do this? I'm going to give my unicorn odd socks, just to start with. Here I go into fast forward mode. Please sit back and enjoy the music while you watch me paint this unicorn. Oh, and then add bling. Lots of bling. I love the colour that I've actually done the unicorn's hooves, straight socks, and I hope it qualifies for the remit for World Down Syndrome Day, because I think this is really cute. So now I'm going to use the purple. I'm going to attempt to do a lightning strike. So this side, let's do the emblem for this. A blue ribbon on one side and cross over with yellow. So I'll do the yellow once the blue is dry. But now we'll just get to do silly shapes. Okay, it would appear that my camera went out, but I don't know how far we got through this. Also for me here, it would appear I really struggled to keep the unicorn under the camera. I apologise. Hopefully you can see enough of what I'm doing. Say that this is in no way intended to be a teaching video, for painting. Okay, I am not a painter, and if you do want to learn about painting, then for me, I would say you need to watch Lula from Nerd Goblin Art. She is a fantastic painter, and her husband Martin as well does painting. She does a lot of miniatures and stuff, or he paints a lot of miniatures, and they all come out amazing. She paints big, well, proper paintings. Like she does proper painting. She does pictures and things, and they all come out phenomenally, and she describes how to do all of the painting as well, like the painting techniques that she's doing. My technique, you may have noticed, is slap it on and hope for the best. Done it. So yeah, my painting technique is not the one to copy. However, I am having fun doing this. My remit for this is making it as bright and colourful as possible. So I am deliberately having colours that clash next to each other. It is not a mistake. I am doing this on purpose. One pointless. Oh dear Lord. Dear Lord. I think one of Luna's sayings is trust the process. I'm not very good at trusting the process, but you know, I try. And we'll be putting a second coat of paint on everything, which you will then see at the end. And what I want to do with this is I'll paint it all gold. This is going to take several coats, and then he's going to have golden ears as well, because why not? So I'll be back once I've done that several times. Just realised my camera isn't on, and I have some glittery acrylic Farburn gel, and all I'm doing is on each of the little things I'm going over it with this to make them a little bit sparkly.
I'd like to take this opportunity to thank all my subscribers. Thank you so much for carrying on this journey with me. You are all awesome and amazing, and I love you all. And if you're not a subscriber, please feel free to click the subscribe button somewhere below the video. Thank you.
So I'm going to glue these eyes on because I don't like the little black dots that I have for eyes, because obviously they're going to be a lot less freaky.
This video is for World Down Syndrome Day. It's hosted by Alison from Stressful Mum Paints, and please watch the videos that are in the link in my description below. Although there are a lot of rhinestones thrown over the table, I would like to say that no rhinestones were harmed in this production, and neither were any of them lost. Precious bling, must protect it. And here's the finished unicorn with all his sparkles and bling. I really hope that you like him and he enjoys wearing his odd socks. And oh, no, I need to put a little bit more bling in. His nostrils need bling. Give me 2 seconds. And there we go. Please stay around for the glamour shots. Thank you. Bye.